Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can change the menu language of a Volvo V70 2016 model. And I had an inquiry for changing the language on the menu of this car, and I'm going to show you how I did it so you can do it for yourself. Before we start, our YouTube channel Service Reset My Car. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. We have more than 200 other videos. You can watch them all if you want. Subscribe to our channel to support us more, making videos for each other. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. Always we have to go, first of all, go to this button over here. It says My Car. Press this once, then turn on this wheel to go to Settings. Confirm with this button. Okay. Go to System Options. Okay, and there are a few things you can change over here. You can adjust the time format, a screensaver for your screen over here, and the language. Press OK by confirming. We're pressing this button to confirm, and let's say I want to do it to Dutch. That was what the customer asked for. Press it once, and as you can see, the menu has changed to Dutch. Okay, just leave the menu by exiting, and that's pressing this button a couple of times, and you get back to the main menu of the display. That was it. I hope it helped you to change the language on a Volvo V70, and hope to see you next time with another video. Bye bye.